Welcome to the channel, and in today's video we will talk about market structure and price action. The reason why successful and winning traders make so much money often is because of their understanding of price action. Now, you might have taken very good trades in the past, but every trader misses that feeling when market starts to communicate with him. The chart and the candles start to talk to him. That feeling is very important. And that feeling comes with the understanding of price action. And price action itself is an art. I understand that it is a very difficult topic, but it is really required to elevate your trading journey. The good news is, if we try to understand price action in a simplistic and systematic manner, then it really helps. So let's start on the charts. So you see this particular move which I predicted today at this particular price action. When the price action formed like this, here to explain it, let me mark it. So consider this is your leg, any price leg, any time frame, any price leg. So if this is your price leg, there are some fundamental components to it. One is order block. Wait, let's put it here. Yeah. Order block here and here. Of course, a bearish order block will be here, a bullish order block will be here. This zone is your supply zone and this zone is your demand zone in any price leg. Now, how to identify this supply zone or demand zone? We have to identify the order block. I will explain it on chart also, but we have to identify order block. And our number one rule to identify a proper order block is that order block should have a fair value gap. If these two things are present on the low of any price leg or on the high of any price leg, that is our valid demand zone or supply zone. Now, this is point number one. Now, point number two, when we see price taps to a supply zone first, then your demand zone will not work. It means that you can anticipate price going down and taking out this particular low. So we see unfolding price with live market chart. Then the price taps to a demand zone. Then your supply zone will be null and void. It is not going to work. Whichever zone in a particular leg taps first, the other zone will be null and void. So we saw this zone tapping. Then we immediately identified this particular high as our liquidity point. Now let me explain it on this particular chart here. This is your price leg. Now what happened? I have marked this zone also and I have marked another zone down also. This is my demand, this is my supply. Why I have considered this as my supply zone and why I have considered this as my demand zone? Point number one, order block with a fair value gap. There is a small fair value gap here. There is a small fair value gap here. So order block with a fair value gap is your demand zone or supply zone. So it tapped my demand zone. It means supply zone is not going to work. So price has to go up to here. I could have taken this up to here, but on a safer side, just to explain, I took it up to here. So this zone is not going to work. By using proper supply and demand zone with market structure, it means you are analyzing price action. By analyzing price action, you can make money in this kind of choppy market also. You should start to apply this on your charts. Once you start to apply it on your charts, you will have your aha moment very soon. And once you have it, come back tomorrow and we will start to analyze it further.